Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to use the cheapest network LAN tester like a pro. Whether you're a networking enthusiast or a professional, understanding the ins and outs of your basic LAN tester can save you a lot of time and trouble. So, let's dive right in. The network LAN tester is a device that measures the conductive between two ends of a cable. It also checks and measures signal for correct wiring. Each LED indicator corresponds to one wire in the cable. The main unit has a power switch, a battery indicator, and 8 LED indicators. Tester is equipped with RJ45 and RJ11 ports. These ports allow the main unit to efficiently test Ethernet and telephone cables. It operates with the assistance of a 9-volt battery for efficient functionality. The remote unit is equipped with 8 LED indicators and includes both RJ45 and RJ11 ports. To get started, connect the main unit to one end of your network cable and the remote unit to the other end. Activate the tester. If all the LED indicators light up in the same sequence on both units, it means that the cable is good and the wiring is correct. Now, let's take a look at what happens when a cable has broken wires. Disconnect a few wires intentionally and observe how the LED indicators on both units behave. For example, if you disconnect the green set of wires that corresponds to the 3rd and 6th pins, you will see that the 3rd and 6th LED indicators on both units does not light up. You can use this method to test each wire individually and find out which ones are broken or disconnected. Now, let's take a look at what happens if there is a circuit shortage in the cable. A circuit shortage occurs when two or more wires touch each other. This can happen due to damage, corrosion, or improper wiring. A circuit shortage can cause the cable to malfunction or even damage the network devices. To simulate a circuit shortage, let's twist green set of wires together and connect them to the tester. You will see that the 3rd and 6th LED indicators on remote unit light up simultaneously. This means that there is a short circuit between the wires. You can use this method to find out which ones are shorted. Now, let's explore a scenario where your computer's Ethernet adapter indicates that the cable is unplugged. You need to determine whether the issue lies with the cable or the network device on the other end. Unplug the cable from the computer and test it with the LAN tester. If all 8 wires respond, then the problem does not stem from the cable itself. However, something is connected to the other end of the cable, but for some reason it won't function. Possible reasons for this include the network device being without power, the Ethernet port being damaged, or the port being disabled, perhaps due to loopback protection. Power over Ethernet or PoE is a technology that allows network devices to receive power and data over the same cable. This can simplify the installation and reduce the need for power outlets. However, it can also damage the tester if the voltage is too high. If your cable has PoE, avoid using the tester. If there is no alternative, use the passive unit instead of the main unit. The passive unit does not have a power. It only receives the current and displays it on the LED indicators. If you plug the passive unit into a cable that has PoE, you will see that the LED indicators on the passive unit will light up slightly, depending on the voltage and polarity of the PoE device. This means that the cable has power over Ethernet. If the voltage is too high, usually above 9 volts, the passive unit may still be damaged. That's why it's advisable to use a multimeter to detect PoE before using the LAN tester. Congratulations, you can now test your network cables with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time.